precision and speed hold the key to innovation.
Here at Design to Product Limited, we are shaking the industry standard with our new platform where technology meets efficiency.
Utilizing artificial intelligence, our system will scrutinize your design against an extensive database, ensuring a comprehensive and competitive quote is delivered instantly.
Every aspect is considered, from material costs to delivery, providing a transparent and final price without hidden fees.
An instant quote that's not just fast, but also competitive, transparent, and tailored exactly to your needs. From materials and finishing options to delivery costs, we will disclose it all.
We have simplified the journey from concept to creation, making it seamless for innovators and creators like you to bring your visions to life.
Currently, we have access to over 700 vetted manufacturers.
Our meticulous selection process guarantees that each manufacturer meets our stringent quality standards, ensuring your parts are crafted with unparalleled precision.
And the best part, the quote you see is the quote you pay.
No surprises, just your project, ready to move from idea to reality.
See you guys in the next video, where we'll explore everything about our CNC services.
However, if you're interested in discussing this further, or if you need aerospace standards AS 9100 and ITA F16949, you can book a meeting with our founder through the link listed in this video.